In the world of musculoskeletal healthcare, there are currently three broad categories of professionals that are serving the people. And as you'll see, there's an egregiously large gap where most people are dramatically underserved, if not at all attended to. There are three professionals here that share this round table that are going to help create the perfect care plan for a person struggling with a musculoskeletal issue. Now, all of them, in our eyes, should be equally compensated to do a job that the other was never meant to do. The first person at that table is a healthcare professional or a rehabilitative professional. This could be an MD, this could be a doctor of physical therapy, doctor of chiropractic, or an occupational therapist. Someone who is rescuing someone from illness or helping someone recover from acutely lost function. The second person at that table is the fitness professional or sport-specific performance professional. This could be a certified personal trainer, a CSCS, or even a baseball coach or a sprinting coach. The third person at the table is the active life professional. To better understand the scope of each of these three professionals' jobs, it's really important to understand the spectrum of human function as it relates to musculoskeletal health and performance. At the one end, we have someone who's totally disabled. They're pent up in a nursing home and they have someone helping them bathe, dress, eat, etc. At the other end of the spectrum, we have an elite athlete, Olympian, maximum expression of human performance. If we take a look at this spectrum of human performance, we'll start to better understand where each of these people are falling into and how they're being attended to, if at all. Medical care and rehabilitative care is meant to address the first 10% of human function. As we said, it's meant to rescue people from illness or acutely lost function. So doctors, physical therapists, chiros, OTs, they'll live here to take care of people who are going from disabled to just being able to start living their lives, retrieving things from the cupboard, taking care of themselves, doing the laundry, getting to and from work, etc., etc. At the other end of the spectrum, we have sports performance. We have maximum human expression. These will be either your general or your specific fitness professionals. This is helping someone run 29 miles per hour instead of 27 miles per hour, helping someone add 300 pounds to a lift for a competition, or helping someone shave 20 minutes off of a marathon time if they are already looking at becoming elite. Well, the problem, as you can see, is that covers the last 33% of human performance, and when we take that and we look at the first 10 that medical care represents or cares for, that leaves us with 57% of human function that's currently being dramatically underattended to. The purpose of an active life professional is to saturate their scope so completely that it budges all the way up against that of the medical or rehabilitative professional, so that they can not only completely understand their scope, but even start to think like and understand what a healthcare professional does, so that they can speak the same language, share a common understanding of what the client or patient is dealing with, and completely and effectively pick up where the medical or rehabilitative professional leaves off in order that they can walk the person in question as far down the line of human function as they would like, or until the active life professional decides mutually with their client that they are no longer the best fit to help this person, and it should now be the job of a sports performance or general fitness instructor to help them go as far down this line as they would like. The problem that we're seeing today over and over and over again is that someone will leave this 10%. They'll leave physical therapy, and the physical therapist, phenomenal job though this person might do, will say ease back into it. Don't do too much too soon. What does that mean with respect to what exercises this person should matriculate through? How much of them they should do? How often? With what kind of regularity? What kind of volume? What kind of intensity? And all of these questions often go unanswered for many people that leave the healthcare or rehabilitative system. And then they get lost in this vast space between where they've left off and where they would actually like to be, which might even be where they have been in the past before an injury, perhaps. The question that plagues so many professionals who want to make an impact in the world of musculoskeletal health and performance and all the other facets of life that improves is, if I don't necessarily want to do medicine and I don't necessarily want to do general fitness, how can I serve in such a way that I can actually create a career for myself? And what we see is that all of these people at the table should be earning $100,000 a year, $150,000 a year, $200,000 a year or more. The question is not what earns the most, it's what work are you most inspired to do? What portion of this spectrum of human performance are you most inspired to attend to? And if it happens to be the space in between fitness and healthcare, then your job is to equip yourself with the knowledge and tools and skills necessary to be able to effectively solve for the problems that exist just outside of healthcare and just before health and fitness.